What's up, everybody? D'Angelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I wanted to make this video for you guys on this Done For You campaign that I put together. So basically, in a nutshell, as you guys can see right here, it's done $2,000 in the last 2 days. If you've been following, follow me on Facebook, guys. I put a lot of stuff in the stories. Lots of gems, all type of stuff. It goes away after 24 hours, but yeah, I put a lot of stuff over there. Like this account was literally at $0 2 days ago, and I made 6 TikTok videos and did this right here. All right, and then we got some spillover over here over on Cash Network, as you guys see right here, and then over here on Max Bounty, we also got some spillover. So basically, let's just say 2,200, 2,300 in 2 days from basically free traffic. I did put like $80 in just to boost the video to see what would happen. But yeah, other than that, not bad at all. So let's just say all in all, 2,200 and just straight up profit. This is not bad, guys. Let me go refresh the page for you guys just so you see. All right. All right. So you guys see everything is pretty much still the same. So yeah, guys, if you have been sleeping on the CPA marketing, like I said, guys, stop sleeping on it. All you have to do is like you're literally one video, one CPA offer, and one landing page away, and that's it. To like making thousands, like you could literally have no money right now, and tomorrow you can have a whole bunch of money, or at least when you get paid. Anyway, so share sale is net 30. So a lot of people do not like running ads on here, like because it's 30 days out. So everything you do this month, so like this right here, I won't get paid all the way until next month on the 20th. So yeah, a lot of people like that is not for me. So you can again join these networks right here, like Cash Network, Max Bounty, stuff like that. I always recommend joining No Shave networks or whatnot. You guys can also go join the MetaFox network as well. I got a link for that down below. But yeah, guys, I can't make it any more easier than it already is. You guys can go right to the Team D'Angelo .biz site. If you're on the 497 or the 997, that you guys have literally access to this campaign right now that I'm running right now. Now they always don't just stay in there forever because it's like 99 people run it, then it doesn't work. But like whenever I make a new campaign, I put it in there, leave it up, and then let everybody run it, and then we take it down, put a new one in there. So yeah, guys, start getting it, and then we just throw them back into like once they like completely die out, just throw them into a case study. So then you can model that and then try to get more results and everything. But that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Again, this is not that difficult. Just again, 3 steps: a video, CPA offer, and a landing page, and you're good to go. All you like that's all you need, and like literally a week from now, you could have an extra 2, 3, 4, or 5 grand in your bank account, or even if it's an extra 100, 2, 300, or whatever it may be. But it's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell.